Good morning, students. One more type of question we will discuss where two equations have been given but they are not in the linear form. Just see, reducible to a pair of linear equations. First of all, we have to reduce them. Just see, 1 by 2 x plus 1 by 3 y is equal to 2. 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by x. Just now, till now we have seen that equations were like that, 2x plus 3y is equal to 19, 3x plus 6y is equal to 6, like this. But here, what is the difference? That variable is there in denominator. So first of all, we have to reduce them so that variable should be there in numerator. It should be there in a linear form. Now what to do? Just see, 1 by 2x can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by x. 1 by 3y can be written as 1 by 3 1 by y is equal to 2 as it is. 1 by 3 similarly we will write like this, 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y. Just see, 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by y. We can assume those variables in the form of any one variable, like 1 by x can be assumed as a. You can take u, you can take a, any variable you can take. 1 by y, I have taken b, where b is any variable. So if I am going to put in place of 1 by x a, then what will happen? 1 by 2 a, and 1 by y will be replaced by b. So 1 by 2a plus 1 by 3b will be equal to 2. Now by taking LCM, you can change it, you can reduce it. 6 will be the LCM. What will you get? 2 3s are 6, so 3 into a, that is 3a, plus 2b is equal to 2. And this 6 can go in other side. On the right hand side, what will happen? 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. So 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. And it can be written as, if I am going to shift it on the left hand side, what will happen? 3a plus 2b, 12 on the left hand side, minus 12 is equal to 0. It means my first equation for linear pair, it has been created. Now my equation is ready to solve. Now one more equation I need by changing second equation. Now second equation, after replacing 1 by x by a and 1 by y by b, what will you get? 1 by 3 into a plus 1 by 2 into b is equal to 13 by x. Now by taking LCM, 3 and 2, LCM will be 6. So 6 will be there. 3 into 2, 6. So 2 into multiplied by a, 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 by 6. Now 6 will go in the numerator. So what will happen? 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 by 6 into 6. It will be cancelled. Now my equation is ready. Just see, 2a plus 3b, 13 will be shifted on the left hand side. What will happen? Minus 13 is equal to 0. Now this equation. Two equations are ready to solve. These two equations can be solved by elimination method also or by cross multiplication method. We have applied cross multiplication method here. Two formulas I had told you which are to be used for solution of variables in cross multiplication. What was the formula? Where x and y were variable. X is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And y was equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now you know what just see the values. This is a1, this is b1, this is c1. And what is this? a2, b2, c2. a2, b2, c2. Signs are to be considered. That you have to keep in mind, that signs are to be considered. Now put the values only. b1 is equal to 2 from here. Now c2 is equal to minus 13, minus b2 is equal to 3, and c1 is equal to minus 12. upon A1, B2. A1 is 3, B2 is 3, minus A2 is 2, B1 is 2. Only you have to put those values when we have just made our equations. Put the values and solve it. What will you get? Minus 26 plus 36 upon 9 minus 4. So you got A is equal to 2. Now see, A is equal to 2 you got, but our actual variable was X. So A should be replaced by 1 by X. Now see, what will you get? If I am going to replace A is equal to 1 by X, what will you get? A is equal to 2 was already there, and X will be equal to 1 by 2. Now check for Y. Y was B. In our present situation, Y is B. After putting values, what will you get? Minus 12, A2 is 2, minus C2 is minus 13. This is A1. A1 is equal to 3. And A1, B2, 9 minus 4. This will be same. In both the conditions, it will be same. 9 minus 4. So you will get 24 minus 24 plus 39 upon 5. After solution, you get 15 by 5. So you got B is equal to 3. And B is equal to 1 by Y. So Y will be 1 by 3 and X will be 1 by 2. These are my final solution for my pair of linear equations which has been given in the statement. Right? Just go through this. I hope you understood this. Thank you.